Choosing the right materials for replacement windows in Frisco properties is one of the most important decisions homeowners can make when upgrading their homes. With the region's hot summers, occasional storms, and growing emphasis on energy efficiency, selecting the best window material isn't just about appearance, it's about long-term performance, comfort, and value. One of the most popular choices among Frisco homeowners is vinyl. Vinyl windows are known for their affordability, low maintenance, and solid energy efficiency. They don't require painting or staining, and they resist moisture, which is especially useful during humid months. For homeowners looking for a cost-effective upgrade that still delivers good insulation, vinyl is often the go-to option. However, while modern vinyl windows come in various colors and finishes, they may not offer the same high-end aesthetic as other materials. Wood windows, on the other hand, provide a timeless and elegant look that can significantly enhance curb appeal. They are excellent insulators, helping maintain indoor temperatures during Frisco's extreme heat. Wood is also highly customizable, allowing homeowners to match their windows with specific architectural styles. The trade-off, however, is maintenance. Wood requires regular sealing or painting to protect against moisture, pests, and sun exposure. For homeowners willing to invest time and care, wood windows can be a beautiful and durable option. Fiberglass windows are gaining popularity for their strength and longevity. They are highly resistant to warping, cracking, and expansion, even under intense Texas heat. This makes them a reliable choice for Frisco properties that experience temperature fluctuations. Fiberglass also offers excellent energy efficiency and can mimic the appearance of painted wood without the same level of upkeep. While they tend to be more expensive up front, their durability often translates to long-term savings. Aluminum windows are another option, particularly for homeowners seeking a sleek, modern look. They are strong and lightweight, allowing for thinner frames and larger glass areas. This design can maximize natural light and provide a contemporary aesthetic. However, aluminum is not as energy efficient as other materials because it conducts heat more easily. In a climate like Frisco's, this can lead to higher energy costs unless the windows are equipped with thermal breaks. Composite windows combine materials, often wood fibers and polymers, to deliver the best of both worlds. They offer the strength and low maintenance of synthetic materials while maintaining the appearance of wood. Composite windows are resistant to moisture and temperature changes, making them well suited for Frisco's climate. They are also energy efficient and durable, though they may come at a higher price point. When choosing the best material, homeowners should consider several factors beyond just the initial cost. Energy efficiency is crucial, as well-insulated windows can reduce cooling costs during Frisco's long summers. Look for materials that support double or triple glazing and have strong insulating properties. Durability is another key factor, especially in an area that can experience storms and high winds. Materials that resist warping, corrosion, and moisture damage will provide better long-term value. Aesthetic preferences also play a role. The right window material should complement the style of your home, whether it's traditional, modern, or somewhere in between. Additionally, maintenance requirements should align with your lifestyle. Some homeowners prefer a low-maintenance option, while others don't mind periodic upkeep for a more classic look. Ultimately, the best material for replacement windows in Frisco properties depends on your priorities. Whether you value affordability, durability, style, or energy efficiency, there's a material that fits your needs. By understanding the strengths and limitations of each option, homeowners can make informed decisions that enhance both the comfort and value of their homes for years to come.